Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Microsoft Magnifier Keyboard Shortcuts. Windows logo key plus sign equals turn magnifier on. Windows logo key ESC equals turn magnifier off. Windows logo key plus sign or minus sign equals when magnifier is on, zoom in or out. Control-Alt mouse scroll wheel equals zoom in and out using the mouse scroll wheel. Windows logo key Control-M equals open magnifier settings. Control-Alt arrow keys equals pan in the direction of the arrow keys. Control-Alt-I equals invert colors. Control-Alt-F equals switch to full screen view. Control-Alt-L equals switch to lens view. Control-Alt-D equals switch to docked view. Control-Alt-M equals cycle through views. Control-Alt-R equals resize the lens with the mouse. Shift-Alt arrow keys equals resize the lens with the keyboard. Control-Alt spacebar equals quickly see the entire desktop when using full screen view.